be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you. What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now I just got these in. I literally just got here maybe 30 minutes ago, right? I ordered these from Oneness Boutique on Wednesday, and they are already here. Like, Oneness Boutique, I'm sure I've said this before in previous videos, but they do not play around with the shipping. Like, if they could have knocked on my door and hand delivered it instantly, I'm sure they would. They don't play around with the shipping. All right, but let's go ahead and get into these. Excited to see these and excited to compare them to another shoe that I have in my collection. Let me go ahead. Boom. And then one more. That's how you know I just got them, because, you know, I didn't even open the box. Yes, sir. Glad to. Oh, man. Let me get these out. Oh, shake the box a little bit. That's a big box. Giggity. Ah, all right. Boom. Nothing in there. No receipt for the receipt, boys. Let me throw that over there. Boom. But you all know, Big Roth is a proud member of the Lebron. Alright. Now these are, I don't think I've ever really had the full box, did I? Look at that. Boom. Lebron there. Maybe you can tell from this side. Alright. Boom. These are the Zoom Lebron 4s. Alright. Colorway white, black. And I got these in a size 14. Alright. You can see the Lebron logo here. And a 14 on the front. Now I went with a 14 because in this size, or this colorway, I have a 14. This is the original run. This is the original run, and this is a size 14, all right? This isn't a retro. This is from back in the day. This is 17 years ago shoe right here, all right? And so is what I have on my feet at the moment. Let me show you that. Man, these bad boys here are old. I wanted to throw them on because, for one, I didn't want the shoes to crumble or anything. But here's what I'm wearing today. All right, these bad boys are old. All right. So I want to throw those on today, just so, you know, you wear your shoes, they don't crumble. You know what I mean? But anyway, let's go ahead and get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. We've got the pull tab here. Pull these bad boys out. Oh, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very, very, very nice. Left shoe first, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes, sir. Whew. The Zoom Lebron 4 in that graffiti colorway. Man, oh man. Like, I have two pairs of Lebron 4s, as you all just saw, but this time these were kind of secondhand. Like, I didn't get them when they first came out. I got these years later. Somebody had them sitting around unworn at the time, and I just bought them years later. But a fresh pair out the box. Oh man, yes sir. Zoom LeBron 4 in that graffiti colorway. And you see the LeBron logo here in that black, the L23 with the crown. And then you see, what is this on here? It's some others. I don't even know what the, I think it's, oh okay, it's a Z, L, and then, okay, so the Zoom LeBron 4, that's what that is on the dots there, if you all can see that. Red Nike swoosh. And then here are those. Keep the lockdown there. Graffiti going around the sides there. And on the back. And we got, I can't even see what this says here. Believe. Believe is what it says going down the back here. LeBron logo there. Alright, and then if you take the strap off, you got your king there. Red eyes. James here. So you know what's on the right side, I'm assuming. Thick rope laces with that metal lace tip, if you can hear that. The metal lace tips there. Let me take the paper out. Then on the inside, open that up for you all. LeBron logo on the inside here. That's probably hard to see, but red insole, and then deep is a black insole there, but the LeBron logo you can see on the background there. On the back of the tongue it says, "You haven't made it until you make it in NYC, 11/13/06." All right, 11/13/06. I was 21 and in tech school at the time when this shoe came out. 21 years old in tech school down in Mississippi when this shoe came out, or when on the date that's on the back of this. I was in tech school. Man, I wish I was into shoes the way that I am now. Back then, I'd probably have so many more LeBrons. I was not into sneakers at all back then. All right, but you know what we gotta do? We gotta check out the right boy to see if there's any difference. Initials on the front, LRJ. All right, let's check out the right boy. Right shoe second. All right, and LRJ again on the front. Same thing on the back of the tongue. This is also Believe on the back here, but when you open this, I know it says King. Yep, King here instead of James. So King on the right shoe, James on the left shoe. And that is the only noticeable difference between the two shoes. All right, white Nike swoosh up here along the strap area, same logo in the center. Everything else is the same. Was there anything on back of the strap? Nope, nothing on the back of the strap. So we can ultimately put the right away. All right, actually let me see what the insole on the inside. Exact same logo. Exact same logo on the inside. But yes sir, man, these are very dope. I love these, man. But I wanted to show you something else here. just because a couple years ago Nike released the LeBron 17 to pay tribute to this shoe. Alright? And here it is. So we can do a quick comparison. This is the Nike LeBron 17 Graffiti. Alright? And here is the Nike LeBron 4. Which ones do you think look better? Do you think this is a true, like, homage to the LeBron 4? On the back, it doesn't say the same thing. It says, "Never forget to hear the voice of the athlete, Phil Knight," on the back of this one. Alright. And then the bottoms are different. The bottoms are different. They didn't go all the way, but pretty close. On the upper, the straps are all the same. They even have the 4, like, the dots there. I had to quickly glance at which shoe I was holding. This is the 17. And then on this one, they have the 2-3. They have the 2-3 on the center strap there. On this one, there is no numbers. On the 4, there's no numbers. The 17, there's a number. Believe also on the back here, they did a pretty good job paying tribute to the 4. The 4 is bigger in size, so much so that I feel like I might have been able to get away with a 13 on the 4 instead of the 14. Alright, Nike on the front of the 17. But everything else about this shoe, as far as they could, you know, with the different technology and everything, it's pretty much identical. Alright, but you know what we gotta do now? Let's go ahead and take these boys on feet. Alright, here we are on the feet with the Zoom LeBron 4 Graffiti. Alright, let me do a little size test. If you can see right here, me wiggling my big toe. My big toe ends about right there. I have about a thumb length, or width, I should say, thumb width of space. Maybe a thumb width and a half of space. So with that being said, for me, if I could have got a 13 and a half, I feel like that would have been the perfect size for me. 13 and a half, but of course, there is no half sizing. Alright, so if you can get your true size, I would say go with your true size. Alright, well, let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Yo, definitely a dope shoe. Glad I was able to get them. Finally got a pair of LeBron 4s, fresh, brand new, straight out the box. These are still available. Oneness Boutique, corporate got them, and they were just released on Foot Locker today. And they had a full-size run on Foot Locker. So if you're interested in these LeBron 4 Graffitis, definitely recommend you go on to get them. But make sure you get your true size, because they do run a little bit long, in my opinion. So a 14 for me is just a tad long, but I don't have a choice. It's either 14 or nothing, because there is no 13 and a half. So if you can get your true size, I highly recommend them. All right, but that's gonna do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.